How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today, I will be answering a question from a subscriber about hickeys. So again, how this video kind of works is I just I get a question from a subscriber about hickey. I talk about it, talk about my opinion on it. And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys how to actually get rid of the hickey in the fastest amount of time possible. So make sure you guys watch the whole video, and I guarantee you will be very happy with the end result, guaranteed. So let's just talk about the subscriber first. The subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with toothpaste? Now, toothpaste is very interesting because I've actually heard of a few people on the web that have been getting rid of hickeys with toothpaste. So this is very intriguing to me. I kind of emailed some of the people. Well, I didn't really email them. I just kind of browsed through the comments about them talking. And they're saying you apply it 3 times a day, and they're saying it takes like about a day. So, I mean, if that actually works, like, I guess it would be different for everyone, but apparently these people are saying it does work. So I guess it does work. But a day is very long in my opinion. Let's say you have like an event or something, and you want to go out to that event, like a social gathering or something. You do not want to be having to wait a day to get rid of all these hickeys on your neck, or maybe you just have one. So let's say you got the hickey the night before and you got to go for supper. I mean, you're kind of hooped. Like that's not a day. So people are going to see your hickey and you might be embarrassed. I mean, that's kind of why you're watching the video, because you want to know how to get rid of the hickey. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you want to get rid of it right freaking now. You don't want to wait a day. You don't want to wait 2 days. You don't want to wait a week. You want it gone now. For me, when I did this, I wanted it gone now too. So a day, that's not bad considering a lot of these different questions I've been getting from subscribers. Half of these questions I've been getting from subscribers, they don't even work, but this one will work. About a day. My way is better. My way takes 2 minutes tops, 2 to 5 minutes tops. So what you do, you get a coin or a spoon, rub it on the hickey area. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it will be completely gone. That's for about 90% of the people. For the other 10% that it doesn't work for, rub again, but for 5 minutes this time. 5 minutes straight with a coin or spoon, and just rub like this. That's it. What's going to happen is your skin is going to get red. That's one of the number one complaints I get, which is completely fine. If your skin didn't get red after rubbing it for 5 minutes, I would be extremely concerned, because that's probably not healthy. But again, it will get red. What happens is you wait 5 to 10 minutes and the redness will be gone. But what will also happen is the hickey will be gone with it. So that's my take. That's the quickest way I've ever found out to get rid of a hickey. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.